Hi, this is Mark with ValueCharts.com. We're looking at the weekly S&P 500 cash index, and this market looks like it could be forming I guess that would be an inverted hammer here on a weekly basis if we get a close to where we are right now. This would be potentially bearish for the stock market, but I would like to see a breakdown of a previous weekly low. So to pick up steam on the downside, certainly breaking the low of last week around 1398 would be a fairly important mile marker, but closing this week like this might be as well. I projected that we would see stocks rise potentially through the holidays, but I am looking at a bearish scenario for January. I'm keeping that in the backdrop. I'm not overly bullish the stock market right now, but sometimes in the holidays the prices just tend to get a little bit of the holiday cheer and drift up a bit and through the Christmas time. So that is, that's where logic kind of leaves the equation, and sometimes the market just doesn't really seem to be following the facts and figures around the holidays. So that's just something that we've noticed over time. That same is true for Thanksgiving week. You never know what's going to happen there as well when people start to get in a good mood around that time of year as well. But right now, with this formation we're seeing on a weekly basis, definitely that is a flashing cautionary pattern and something that you definitely want to be aware of. Once this market starts to turn down here, assuming we get into bear market mode at some point, then we want to start looking for strategic entry levels where we can conceivably start building a short position to take advantage. That's all we have for this video. We'll continue watching. Notice also on the bottom here that we have a lower reading potentially here if we do get a weekly top here on the MQ momentum. So not only a little bit lower, but a much lower reading both on the indicator line and the histogram as well, which would just pour gasoline on the fire for a bearish picture. That's all I have for this video. We'll continue tracking the S&P 500 going forward. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.